By default, Unity has certain built-in meshes, and they allow us to get things started. And that's what Gibson Bond has worked with in his text by using things like cubes, spheres, capsules, cylinders, quads. What we are going to do is we're going to introduce a new tool into Unity, a third-party asset that the company liked so much and thought was such an important part that they acquired them and made them a core part of the development plans of Unity moving forward. So instead of working with these primitives here, we need to introduce the tool ProBuilder. ProBuilder is in the process of being integrated to Unity, but because it was made by third-party developers, it does not yet have all of the interface niceties of a first-party tool that is native to the engine. To do the install, we're going to go to Window, Package Manager, and from Package Manager we want to make sure that we're looking at the Unity registry, because that will be things that are available via Unity that don't require you to link them to your account via the asset store. So we look at the Unity registry, and while ProBuilder is pre-selected because I've been working with it, you can see that there's actually quite a number of packages that are available to be incorporated into your project. So if you needed to filter for it, if you type Pro, then only packages that include those three letters in sequence: processing, post-processing, profile, analyzer, text mesh pro. I'm not sure where it comes in Unity Collaborate, probably in some of the text, but ProBuilder is what we want. So I can look at that. At present, we can see that version 4.4 is the verified version. 5.01 has not been released, so if you want to live dangerously, you could install that, but I recommend going with the verified packages. I'm going to choose Install. It will go ahead and incorporate ProBuilder into my current project, and this has to be done on a project-by-project basis. So for every new project you create, you will need to enable ProBuilder if you want it. I can then close my package manager, and you will see up here at the top in my menu bar a new menu called Tools has been created. And from there I can click on Tools, I get a drop down for ProBuilder, and I can open up the ProBuilder window. ProBuilder starts as a floating window, but that means every time I click away from it, I need to return to the Tools menu to bring it back to the front. So I'm going to grab its tab and dock it at the bottom here of my Inspector palette. And now we're going to explore some of the things that the ProBuilder window can do.